Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add your credit card as a payment method on Shopify. Firstly, open the Shopify website on your browser. My internet has been acting up lately, so forgive me for the delay. Now once you're on your store, go to Settings. Now click on Payments. Now click on Add Payment Method. Here, you have to choose your payment method. It could be a Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. Just click on Activate. Now once you have connected your card, all the payments of your Shopify store would be done through your card. That means the order processing and the order fulfillment. And this way, Shopify would be able to charge their fees every month. You just need to connect your account now, and you would be done. Don't forget to subscribe.